Good morning. Oh, it is cold. Today's meant to be, I think, one of the hottest days of the year. I've set up, it's only probably about 6 a.m. and it's cold, so I've had to put like emergency arm warmers and buff on because it is just chilly. Right, today's ride. It's going to be another long one. I thought, seeing as the weather is going to be so good, why not get out, do a long ride. I'm off to meet, I say meet, social distance with one of my Audax buddies. So I'm currently just coming out of Manchester, meeting him in Macclesfield, and then we're going to do a nice little loop. So potentially it's probably going to be about 300k, so that is going to be today's ride. Always prepared. It's been about 45k, and this is Audax Darren, king of the faffers. I can't believe you call me a faffer. Look at you now with all your bags. So we're going to be staying 2 meters apart the whole way around. But luckily for us in England, we are able to ride like together as long as you're social distancing. We've got so much food because we're not going to be stopping to buy food. So we might have to stop off to get some water because it's going to be really hot. But I think we're going to try and find if there's a garage, if they have like water on the forecourt. So
come on, I'm trying. May edition. No. Don't you be filming this shit?
oh, next time! I am so excited, I can't even tell you. Hello, we are, well, I'm 90k in and we're just having a little tinkle stop, and it's getting warm, so these might be coming off very soon. But look at this, actually. You're decent now.
I didn't want to piss on the electric fence.
Oh God. So this is where we are. It is so beautiful.
It's like a butcher's bin.
No, don't say that. I'm the vegan. Say that again, please.
Beautiful.
What did you say before, though?
Better than I thought it was going to be.
It doesn't look very good, but it tastes good, doesn't it?
What's in it?
Rice, a bit of jam and frozen berries. That's literally it.
Nice and sweet as well.
Sweet. And cheap.
Messy.
So I'm at about 135k in, and the first chunk of it is flat, fairly flat. I've done about 1,000 metres, and then this is where the climbing starts. I've got 100k climbing. This is steep.
11%.
Is it 11?
A minute. 12.
You might not look it. This is steep. How steep is it?
Fucking steep.
Oh, this doesn't look too bad now.
I reckon this will be 20-ish.
Come around in your big car and drive it all through town. Oh, we should send
150k in, halfway, and we've just got up this climb, just descending down. Like, oh, we need a nice little spot for our little sit down picnic lunch. Good day. How good is this route? It is a cracking route. Oh, this weather. What's that? What is it? No, are you kidding?
I didn't even notice it.
Why? You see those two
Is that
tiny...
where we are?
Yeah, but look at those two little tiny peaks that we've just
I know,
done.
that's what I'm just thinking.
And that's just the two little tiny things.
Okay.
Look at this wall. It's a bit thrown together, isn't it? It needs knocking. So we're heading over that. You ready for it? Here you are. You're faster than me up the climbs. Your weapon.
You're the weapon today.
Been figuring out what we're going to do about water, and then we've just seen like this cycle hub climbing school is open, and so I just nipped and poked my head around. I was like, is there any way I can just borrow your tap? And they were like, yeah, there's a kitchen in there, just head straight through. So that is very, very Good timing. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at the big rocks. Wow, wow. Look at all the stone walls. Darren, look at all the stone walls. It's a bit steep. I did have like a little social distancing. Did you see how he didn't even open the window? What was he talking to you about?
He was saying apparently that they charge him, I think it was £5 a month for his little Visa gadget thing. No, not £5 a month, £5 I won't really listen to
Why would he tell you? Why was he telling you that?
I think he was trying to justify £5 for 2 Calippos.
He's still eating it.
Yeah.
How is he?
It's just a bit of cream, 99.
How did he manage that? So there's a guy over there, just a cyclist, just bought an ice cream and dropped the whole thing on the
One of your viewers.
Yeah, but he dropped it, like ice cream down, picked it up and just carried on eating it. I'm like, how? This place is phenomenal. How have I never been here? We've been brought onto the High Peak Trail, which is just it's 15 miles, which is about what? Is that about 20k?
Yeah.
25k? I don't know. 20 something k of beautiful gravel. So yeah, that's where we're at. Feeling good. How are you feeling?
Hey,
How are you feeling?
I'm looking forward to this.
God, look at all the dust it's kicking up on this guy up here. Look ahead. You can eat my dust. Eat my dust, baby.
Who's going in the front?
Me.
Oh shit.
No, you can.
It all seems sound till you kissed her at the same place.
Hello. So we are at 230 odd k, and like look at this view. Honestly, we came around this corner. I got a tiny little bit of GoPro, but it will not look anywhere near as good. There was just like this huge man and all these big peaks, and honestly, that view was worth this whole ride. That and the roaches were just... Do you know when you just see a view, you just come around a corner and you see a view and you're just like, oh my God, like that is... it was just... Oh, I just love it so much. Get 'em fiddle.
Fiddle and done.
Well, for you.
Hope, anyway, yeah.
For you it is.
Don't envy you. 300k, that's weaponised.
Nah. Oh, putting the bike away.
What were you doing then? Moving.
I know. So we're back to where Darren started. So I've got another 45k to go home, and now you are driving home, aren't you?
I'll swap you. No, I won't swap you.
No.
There's no way that on earth I would swap you now. You've been towing me for 25% of that last ride, that last bit. Jesus. That's a tough bit at the end.
Nah.
That was tough.
You had me that you were towing me the whole way around, to be honest. You're fast. It's good though.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Teamwork at 2 metres.
Teamwork at 2. So I don't think I'm going to film anything on the way back because it is just... It's not the most exciting route back, and you saw it this morning. So feel alright, legs feel alright. Feel good. Feeling like Lucasade. One of my friends, Ben, he says that when he has a wee when he's dehydrated on the bike, it's like marmalade. Like that is grim. That is a grim thought that you pee out marmalade. Right. I just want to lay here on the grass now, though.
Do you want to lift home?
No. Don't tempt me. I'm back. I was going to film and then I got in, looked in the mirror, and my face was so dirty. I don't know how. I reckon it was that trail that kicked up a load of dirt and dust. My legs were filthy. I couldn't have inflicted that on you. So I've had a shower now. I'm just gonna get into bed. So yeah, honestly, if you want to do a 200k, so I think the total for me was 301, but that was because I rode down to Macclesfield to the start. I think it was about 3,400 metres climbing. But the 200, if you want to do a 200, that is absolutely incredible. Honestly, this is why I love Audax. You just get such brilliant routes. The views on that, I think the weather obviously helped, but honestly, I just have had the best day. These are the best days when you get weather like that, routes like that, and just views like that. I'm just going to go to bed very happy tonight. Very sleepy now. So yeah, I'll leave a link to it actually, to the link on the Audax page where you can go and get the route and maybe do it. So it starts and ends in Macclesfield. So yeah, actually on the descent down, I didn't actually get any of the footage, but I swear it felt like the Alps. There were so many like switchbacks and stuff. I was like, how have I never done this before? So yeah, if you want to go and have a look at my route, that's also linked in the description box, and I will see you next video.
Someday